Okay, so let's go over this 3-tier bathroom shelf. So it is 28.4 inches tall and 18.4 inches wide, and the depth is also 18.4 inches. Okay, real quick here. When this channel hits 1,000 subscribers, one subscriber is getting a pair of Sony noise canceling headphones. All you need to do is subscribe and drop a comment on this video or any video on the Review Rewind channel, and you're in. And you can check out the rules for this giveaway with the link in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Let's have a look. We have these plastic little shelves on them. That way nothing falls through. We can of course take these off as well if we would like. We have this nice metal frame, powder coated, so it doesn't rust. It's a real sturdy construction as well. A lot of these 3-tiered shelves can be pretty flimsy, so this is nice and strong. We also have little hangers here. So this is not just for the bathroom. This can be for the kitchen as well. Let's get a look at it from the ground. And what's also nice is these feet are adjustable, so we can extend it out slightly here and just make it a little bit taller. And that goes for all 4 of the feet. And this also really helps if you have an uneven surface. So just adjusting, 1, 2, 3 of these if needed. Okay, and each shelf can hold up to 110 pounds each. So that's quite a lot. I don't know if I would actually load it up to 110 pounds, but it can handle a lot. So this is a really versatile 3-tiered shelf. It can fit your bathroom, your kitchen. It looks good, it's sturdy, and does exactly what you want it to do.